Welcome back to English Learning Podcast HQ. I'm happy you are here today. This podcast is for beginners who want to speak English slowly, clearly, and with confidence. In today's episode, we will learn how to talk about food in English. Food is something we talk about every day. When you learn these simple sentences, you can speak English in real life. Relax, listen carefully, and repeat with me. Let's begin. What is food? Food is what we eat every day. We eat food to feel strong, healthy, and happy. People talk about food at home, at work, with friends, in restaurants. Let's learn easy English sentences. Part 1. Basic food words. Let's start with simple food words. Repeat after me. Rice, bread, eggs, chicken, fish, vegetables, fruit. Good. Again, slowly. Rice, bread, eggs. Very good. These are common foods used all around the world. Part 2. Talking about meals. In English, we have 3 main meals. They are breakfast, lunch, dinner. Repeat. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Good. I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat lunch in the afternoon. I eat dinner at night. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast. I eat lunch. I eat dinner. Excellent. Part 3. Talking about what you eat. Now let's make simple sentences. Repeat after me. I eat rice. I eat bread. I eat eggs. Good. You can also say, I eat chicken. I eat vegetables. I eat fruit. Again, slowly. I eat vegetables. Very nice. Part 4. Talking about drinks. Now let's talk about drinks. Repeat. Water, tea, coffee, juice, milk. Good. Now sentences. I drink water. I drink tea. I drink coffee. Repeat slowly. I drink water every day. Excellent. Part 5. Likes and dislikes. Now let's talk about what you like. Repeat after me. I like rice. I like chicken. I like fruit. Good. To talk about dislike, I don't like spicy food. I don't like oily food. Repeat. I don't like spicy food. Very good. You can say, I like sweet food. I like hot food. I like simple food. Part 6. Eating at home. Many people eat at home. Repeat. I eat at home. I cook food at home. Good. I cook rice. I cook vegetables. Repeat. I cook at home. Excellent. Some people eat with family. Repeat. I eat with my family. Very good. Part 7. Eating outside. Sometimes people eat outside. Repeat. I eat outside. I go to a restaurant. Good. At a restaurant, people order food. Repeat. I order food. Very nice. People say, the food is good. The food is delicious. Repeat. The food is delicious. Excellent. Part 8. Describing food. Let's learn simple words to describe food. Repeat after me. hot, cold, sweet, salty, spicy. Good. Now, sentences. The food is hot. The food is sweet. The food is spicy. Repeat slowly. The food is spicy. Very good. Part 9. Daily food sentences. Now listen and repeat. I eat 3 meals a day. I eat healthy food. I eat fast food sometimes. I drink water every day. Again, I eat healthy food. Excellent. Listening practice. Now listen carefully. I will tell you a short food story. Just listen. In the morning, I eat breakfast. I eat eggs and bread. I drink tea. At lunch, I eat rice and vegetables. In the evening, I eat dinner with my family. The food is simple and healthy. I drink water. I feel good. Now repeat with me. I eat breakfast. I eat lunch. I eat dinner. Very good. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and speak. I eat blank for breakfast. I like blank food. I drink blank every day. Great. You are speaking English. That's how you improve. Common food questions. Let's practice simple questions. Repeat after me. What do you eat? What do you like to eat? What do you drink? Good. Answers. I eat rice. I like chicken. I drink water. Excellent. Mini review. Today you learned how to talk about food words, meals, drinks, likes and dislikes, eating at home and outside. These are very important English sentences. Native speakers use them every day. Great job today. You are learning real English. Remember, listen, repeat, speak. Practice every day and your English will improve. Thank you for listening to English Learning Podcast HQ. I'll see you in the next episode.